I am in total loss of words. I am in loss of words. Right now I do not know should I carry in pain. I had some hope from our relation, but now everything is in vain. If you never loved me, you should have told me before. If you never loved me, you should have left me from the start. Why and when I made you apart, if my life and my word, nothing comes some anymore. Nothing is life before. I am heartbroken to the carry, and it will be this way forever. There is a reason for this heartbroken. Heartbroken is a reason for my sadness. I will not believe that I love still exists. I give my all to the person I love, and in return I got a big show. My only reason was my heart was, but the only reason why I accept this all. I do not believe in love anymore. I do not believe that there can be perfect sure because my story has ended before the start. And what is my heart? I do not want to be the some. I do not want to hurt either blame, but I will not, will do not love again in my life as it is over for me. This time I am so numb and I cannot feel. I am numb and I cannot feel anything. I am in pain and I cannot blame for it. The paralysis was mine that I loved you a lot. The salute was mine that you were in my thought. I never know these words, these would and this way. I never knew I would lose mercy. Your love was my life cover and smile, but things are not the same anymore. I have lost it all. I am straight to the cross. Losses, lost all in the time in I am today heartbroken in life. I want to tell you that without you I still cannot service your words and will remind my love forever. I will not leave to you. I will not leave, but I am not alright. My word is violent. There is not is no life. Love made my word so bright since you have left there and is nothing right. I am not the same person I was. I do not want to force no feeling anymore. You do not know I am broken to the core. Father poems in English